It's a new 2018 Ford F-150. Smart enough and tough enough to stand the test of time, the F-150 is a leader at the job site. Features include automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, mirror mounted spotlights, gas pressurized shocks, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. The Car Connection explains, make no mistake, every square inch is detailed to cheat the wind to make it easier to extract every possible tenth of a mile per gallon from a classically styled pickup truck. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. Take it for a test drive today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.